But the difference though, oh my God.
Whoa.
We're back for part 2 of our Texas road trip. Last time, we drove 2 hours north of Dallas to taste a hyper-regional specialty from a 100-year-old burger joint, Herd's. Now we're off to eat one of the best steakhouse burgers in America, and finish off the day tailgating at a classic drive-in.
I can't wait to taste the burbs.
I don't think that's a good accent.
That's not a good accent at all. I'm terrible at accents, by the way. Hey, babe, they got a burrito and soda special at the All Subs.
Guess what I'm doing here in Texas? I'm passing this slow motherfucker. Sorry.
We are.
There you go. This car's got some serious nuts, man. I tell you,
dude. Yeah, man. Look at, we're in the tank right now. Help.
Dallas, lots of great classic burger joints, obviously. But, you know, Dallas is also a money town, okay? There's lots of high-end food here. There's some high-end burgers, too. And that's why we're here at Knife Dallas with my friend, Chef John Tizar.
Hey, guys. Good to see you, George.
Good to see you, Chef.
Alvin, always a pleasure, buddy.
Yes.
I know George since he was this big, so. So I have 2 burgers for you today. One is the legendary Ozerski, known around America, tribute to Josh. I mean, of course, you 2 guys know Josh Ozerski, legendary Esquire food writer, hamburger maven. It's 44 farms, 80-20 sirloin on a squishy bun, slice of thin red onion, 2 slices of American cheese, the way Josh wanted it. And then the second burger I have for you today is from our childhood at Magic's Pub. So we still call it the Magic. It's an English muffin, same 44 farms, 80-20, except we use cheddar cheese this time, 2 slices of applewood smoked bacon, and it has lettuce, tomato, and onion.
Yeah. I gotta say, the first time I came in here, I don't know if you know the story, I probably told you this, but the first time I came in here, I was like, it looks familiar. And I did the math, I put the 2 together, the name and what it looked like, and I was like, wait a minute, John.
Who's cooking here?
This is our hometown burger. This is the burger that we grew up with.
That's awesome.
A pub in West Hampton called Magic's.
I love English muffins, man.
I grew up in Magic's Pub, in the back room and the front room. I was washing dishes and I learned how to make this burger a long, long time ago.
Oh, man.
And I cook these simple, what I think considered to be simple, straightforward American hamburgers, because that's what a hamburger is. I think once you start putting creamy stuff and imported cheeses and crazy vegetal stuff, that's a sandwich. You know what I mean?
Wow.
Seriously.
Yeah, okay.
Right. I mean, you got to keep the integrity of a hamburger. You don't put like ketchup on sushi and call it something else, right? So it's like a hamburger is a hamburger, right?
Yeah.
And sorry, people that live in Los Angeles and New York, you should not be paying $20 to $25 for a hamburger, whether there's truffles on it or not, or it's stuffed with something else. That's not a hamburger either. So this is the good old American hamburger. Enjoy, guys. I'm gonna let you. Good to see you, George.
Thanks, Chef.
Chef.
Alvin, always a pleasure.
Thank you. Always a pleasure. Let's start with the Ozerski burger. This is one of the most famous burgers.
That's about as simple as it gets right there.
Yeah, this is a burger show burger.
What's going on
Meat,
here?
cheese, bun, some onions.
Yeah, that's it.
Easy. Cheers.
Well, but the difference though, oh my God.
Whoa. Oh.
That's all you need right there. That's all you need.
This burger is so, like, I will be thinking about this burger the next few days.
Yeah.
Steakhouses usually just take it too far.
Yeah.
This is almost like the anti-steakhouse burger.
That's so good.
It's fantastic.
Before we fill up on this though, I'm going to the Magic, my hometown burger. You know, this is a very nostalgic burger for me. This is a piece of my childhood. It was a bar burger. It was designed to be something you ate when you were drinking.
Whoa.
I taste history there. I taste my best.
The textures.
Yeah, it's crazy.
Crispy English muffin, crispy bacon.
I've eaten literally tens of thousands of burgers in this world, a lot of them in America, and for some reason, I mean, I look at this burger and all I see is my deep past.
Right. Yeah. So that's
my youth. I mean, it's weird.
That's the thing.
I don't think about Texas. I don't think about anything. I'm thinking about home.
Yeah, that's the thing about
weird.
chefs, right?
Yeah.
Like some chefs, especially chefs that are from steakhouses, they go too far.
Yeah.
But there's also chefs who play off of their past and like, you know, nostalgia.
Speaking of the past, do you have any crazy stories from Magic?
Not that anyone should hear, that's for sure. This is living proof that in a steakhouse, you don't have to go crazy with aiolis and truffle bullshit. This is really what you want.
Yeah,
at the end of the
man.
day.
Pit stop number 2, Knife Steakhouse, New York Pub Burgers in the heart of Dallas.
So Texas also is at the bottom of what I like to call the American burger belt. In that belt, you can find some of the greatest and the highest concentration of like actual primary source American burgers. Burgers that have not changed at all in 100 years.
We're definitely not in New York anymore.
No, not New York. We just saw mild quail eggs.
Yeah.
Pickled quail eggs.
Pickled quail eggs.
At the gas station.
At the gas station. Yeah.
We're not in New York anymore.
Kellers.
There it is,
I
buddy.
see the sign.
You ready for this
Awesome. The neon. Oh,
Yeah.
damn. Look at that.
We're at Keller's.
Look at this
One of
place.
my favorite places in America.
Amazing.
And it may not look like much in a way, but you are right now in one of the most historically significant hamburger joints in America.
I can feel it.
Just the real deal.
Real deal burger place.
This is a primary source hamburger joint.
I'm
that is
amazed.
a drive-in.
Honestly, it's amazing.
I want you to meet Jack Keller Jr.
Yeah.
Sir,
I'm so glad
thanks
to
for
see
having us.
So the burger I always get when I come here, I always default to the one burger someone told me I had to get years ago, which is the number 5.
Number 5.
It's a double. The double special, double.
Walking up, I just saw a bunch of numbers. It's pretty crazy.
I'd say no, they're all sort of out of order too. You notice that?
8, 4,
8,
3.
2, 1.
Hi, Diana.
Ooh, here it is, right?
You got us some good burgers
We got
here.
us some number 5s. Oh, we got you a Lone Star.
Hold on, wait a minute.
Stars.
What is going on in her hand right there?
No, that's how she keeps Shane.
It's usually a lot neater than this, but I've been a little busy.
It's her bouquet,
There
her
we
cash
go, hon.
bouquet.
And just let me know. Thank you.
Thank you.
That's awesome.
Thank you, Dan. Appreciate
That's
it.
awesome. I'm just gonna walk around with bills like that in my hand. I wonder what people will say. It's awesome.
They bring me a number 5
Number 5, dude.
Number 5.
That's yours.
for you.
That's mine.
Whoa.
I know. Whoa.
Whoa.
2 patties.
Okay.
Okay. Shredded lettuce, American cheese, 2 slices of cheese. There's like a Thousand Island dressing.
Like a Thousand Island,
special
right?
sauce, yeah. Tomato on this very, very soft, like ridiculously soft poppy seed roll.
I mean,
Ready?
I'm liking what I see.
Cheers.
Cheers. Oh.
Everything to your liking?
To be totally honest, there are so many burgers to get in the Dallas area. I tell people if they can pick one burger, they're coming to Dallas, just do yourself a favor and drive in to Keller's. You have to, because this is the best way to enjoy a burger. Keller's has DNA in it that goes back to the beginning of drive-in culture. The very first drive-in restaurant in America was in Dallas. In 1921, entrepreneur Jesse Kirby opened the first in a chain of pig stands, roadside barbecue establishments that allowed patrons to drive up, eat, and leave without getting out of the car. Young men in crisp white shirts would jump onto the running boards of approaching cars to take orders, giving birth to the term car hop. Jack Keller Sr. worked at one of these pig stands, and one day in 1950 decided to apply the same car hop principles to the burger. And that's how Keller's was born.
The patties are super good. They're thin. They're double. The ratios are perfect.
I think the bun's so important. You start with the bun. It has to be fresh, and it has to be beautiful, and it has to be that way every day. I was watching this bread man deliver bread, and they used to put tabs on them. Green for Monday, red for Tuesday. That's when they were baked. They're supposed to be baked fresh every day. And I looked in the back of this guy's truck, and he was changing the tabs out. And I was just standing there watching him, trying to tell me he's bringing fresh bread.
No.
And I said, hey, excuse me. I said, what are you doing? He goes, oh, well, nothing. I said, you got to go. I said, you can never come back on this lot. And that was 20 years ago. Yeah, they'll try to pull that.
See,
but-
that's how important it is, and that's how true school you are.
Yeah.
You can't let that slide.
Yeah,
No, you can't.
Not for
Yeah.
1 minute.
Not for 1
Now
minute.
you can
slide.
tell. Now you can tell.
There's so many places to get food, right?
Right.
You can walk into a place, get food, and be happy and leave, right? The difference with this place is that it's a community. I mean, you come here not just to eat, but to be part of a community. I mean, look at all the these guys would be here every Sunday anyway, right?
They're here most every day.
Every day. I'm sorry.
That's what I'm talking about.
Where else can you go and drive up and get a beer and a burger?
Right here.
Yeah, I mean,
Right here.
I mean, that says a lot about this place.
Standing here, looking at all these beautiful cars, the fact that we drove up here, the fact that there's car hops tells me you can't Uber here.
No.
You just can't Uber here.
No.
No, not a good place to
You gotta
Uber.
experience it the right way.
You gotta come and do it the right way. Yeah.
I'm so happy to be here with burger people.
Oh man, we can talk burgers for days. This is definitely one of those burger bucket list joints. You know,
Yeah, right.
In a world where everything's changed, we haven't changed.
thank you so much for having us. That was a really great experience, great stories. I can't wait to come back here and bring my family.
I want to tell you it's our pleasure, and whenever you come back, give me a call and I'll meet you up here. We'll have a burger.
100%.
So nice to
Thank you
see
so
you.
much.
My pleasure.
George, thank you,
George,
Jack.
good to see
Jack
you
Jr.,
again.
good to see you.
Pit stop number 3, Kellers DriveIn, the late night classic.
We came, we saw, we conquered. Me, the Motz man, and the open road. All in the pursuit of burgers. If there's one thing I've learned during this trip, it's that Texans believe that the best burgers in the country are found right here. And you know what? I can't argue. People here have so much pride in their burger culture. Some things are too good to change, and Texans know that. Texas, I tip my hat to you.
What's up, everybody? It's Alvin, Cailan of The Burger Show. Make sure you turn on your notifications, smash that like button, smash that subscribe button, and thank you for watching.